Let's learn how to divide the number 320 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. It is smaller than 5, so we will consider the number 32. We know that 5 times 6 is 30 and it is closer to 32. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 320 divided by 5 is equal to 64. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.